Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into cutting-edge technology, the latest RVs, or just love seeing the wildest concepts in the world of adventure travel, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into something truly unique, the 2025 Tricycle RV 3 wheels. This innovative ride combines the freedom of cycling with the luxury of RV living. But how exactly does it work? And is this the future of sustainable travel? Let's find out. All right, let's start with a quick overview. The 2025 Tricycle RV is an electric-powered, three-wheeled motorhome built for adventure seekers and eco-conscious travelers alike, combining the stability of a tricycle with the comfort and amenities of an RV. This vehicle is designed to redefine how we think about long-distance travel and camping. At its core, the Tricycle RV features a three-wheel design that ensures maximum stability even on uneven terrains. Powered by an advanced electric drivetrain, this RV can be charged via solar panels or conventional outlets, making it perfect for eco-friendly explorers who want to roam without leaving a massive carbon footprint. Now let's talk about the features that make this thing stand out. First up, the design. It's sleek, aerodynamic, and surprisingly compact. But don't let its small size fool you. Inside, you've got everything you need for extended stays on the road. Step inside and you'll find a fully functional kitchenette with a portable stove and mini fridge, a small but comfortable sleeping area, and even a mini bathroom with a compact shower. Space is optimized for efficiency, and while it's not as spacious as a traditional RV, it's more than enough for solo travelers or couples. But let's talk about performance. The Tricycle RV may look like a futuristic motorcycle, but it has the power and range of a lightweight electric RV. It's equipped with a lithium-ion battery pack that offers up to 200 miles of range on a single charge, depending on terrain and driving conditions. And don't worry about rough terrain. This Tricycle RV has robust suspension and a torque-heavy motor, meaning it can handle dirt roads, mountain paths, and even light off-road adventures. And let's not forget about its top speed, 50 miles per hour. It's the perfect mix of performance and practicality for anyone looking to explore the open road while minimizing their impact on the environment. So what makes this Tricycle RV such a great option for sustainable travel? First, it's all electric, so no emissions while driving. Plus, the roof-mounted solar panels can provide supplemental charging while you're on the move or parked in nature, reducing your reliance on external power sources. It's a truly eco-friendly way to travel and explore the world. And if you're concerned about range, don't worry. The Tricycle RV comes with an optional range extender that uses biofuels, making it an even more versatile option for long-distance travel. Now, we know you're probably wondering what's the price tag on this future of travel. Well, the 2025 Tricycle RV is expected to start at around $45,000 for the base model, with higher-end versions equipped with more luxury amenities and extended battery options costing a bit more. While it's not exactly cheap, it's definitely a solid investment for anyone who wants a sustainable, efficient, and comfortable way to hit the road. Okay, let's quickly break down the pros and cons of the 2025 Tricycle RV. Pros? It's eco-friendly, compact, and offers a unique way to travel. The all-electric system is a big plus for anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint, and the fact that it's three-wheeled gives it greater stability than a motorcycle, with more comfort than a typical bike. Cons? Well, the small size might not be ideal for families or those looking for a lot of space. It's also limited by range compared to larger RVs, so you'll need to plan charging stops more carefully, and let's face it, it's not a vehicle you can just pop into the grocery store in. It's a bit of a commitment. So is the 2025 Tricycle RV the future of travel? It certainly has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about both adventure and sustainability on the road. If you're a solo traveler or a couple who loves exploring the outdoors in style, this could be the perfect vehicle for you. What do you think? Would you take a ride in a Tricycle RV? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're excited about this unique blend of sustainability and adventure, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.